All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our website project, and we are coming to you with an early morning episode. Let's dive into exactly what's going on. So, if you recall, yesterday we weren't able to save our reviews to our website. We had to do some configuration and add a backend server to our website. That's exactly what we did. So let's get things running. So we're gonna run a server now, and then we're gonna head over to the website to see if everything is working the way it should. So this is us running our server. This is our server here. This is where we're going to host all of our reviews that can be seen globally and can be written globally. Let's get in dive right into it. So we're going to head over now. As you call, I do like starting from the source. Well, I had to start from the source anyway because we had to activate or start running our server. So we had to actually start from the source anyway. So we have our backend running or our server running. Let's head over to our website. We're going to actually enter a review and see what happens when we enter it. So this is going to be our user. This is going to be our review. I love this. Let's get it added. And as you can see, our review is added, and we do have a delete button. We're going to see if both of those are working. So let's leave the screen and see what happens. So our review is still there. It's still holding. Let's actually close it out and reopen it and see if it's still holding, even if it was closed out and reopened. So we're going to go ahead and go back in, open it back up. As you can see, our review is still there. Let's get in and activate the delete and see if the delete is working. So we're going to delete it. We're going to go ahead and leave the screen and come back. Our review is gone. So our backend server is working perfectly the way it is. We can actually enter reviews and delete them, and everything is working on a global scale. So anyone can actually leave a review, and anyone can actually see the reviews that are written. So with that being said, our complete homepage is done, and we can move on to actually implementing the try free demo button. But with that being said, I will keep you posted every step of the way on the progress. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.